If you're a crypto trader or thinking about becoming one, you've probably run into the same wall as everyone else: funding. Either you're risking your own money or waiting weeks for a salary just so you can make a small profit. And that's where Mubite flips the script.
Mubite is the first crypto platform to offer instant access to trading capital. No 30-day evaluations, no denied payouts, and no games. We built Mubite because we were tired of good traders getting stuck in limbo, just waiting to prove themselves. And honestly, in crypto, speed matters. So we built something faster, something real, backed by investors, powered by a serious partnership with Bybit, and designed to give traders what they actually need: capital and freedom.
Here's how it works. Step 1, you sign up and choose your funding package. We've got different tiers based on how much capital you want to manage. Step 2, you'll connect to our partner exchange Bybit. That's the platform to operate on, and for good reason. It's fast, reliable, and built for serious crypto traders. Step 3, you start trading. That's it. No drawn out evaluations, no demo accounts that don't have matching live conditions.
Many prop firms are stuck in 2017, offering limited tokens, wide spreads, and endless hoops to jump through. We're building for traders who are ready now. No delays, no gatekeeping.
At Mubite, we believe that if you've got the skill, you shouldn't have to wait weeks to prove it. We give you the capital up front because your trades should speak louder than some evaluation checklist.
If you're ready to stop trading with your own lunch money and start trading with real capital, Mubite is ready for you. Hit the link, choose funding package, and start trading today.